It's Bow Wow Week from the Skunk Juice Studio. This week I want to wish my BFF here, Beasley, a happy birthday. Right? Yes. His cousin's here to party on with him. This week, Beasley picked out his favorite book to share with you, The Flea Sneeze. Right? Let's begin The Flea Sneeze. On a dark, dark night on an old farm in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle. Oops, sorry. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or even the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue to be? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the one-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo-moo. It outraged the owl, who hollowed hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-hoo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ooey, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, for the old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. The end. Thank you for joining us this week for Beasley's birthday and his favorite book, The Flea Sneeze. Now we are going to enjoy our birthday treat. He has a birthday party bone from Potopia here in Yukon, Oklahoma. And then I, later, am going to enjoy one of the puppy bath bombs from Bath Sorbet, also Yukon, Oklahoma. Great stores. Thanks again for joining us this week. Have a great rest of the day. Remember, read, wash your hands. Read, wash your hands. Read, wash your paws. Read, wash your paws. Thank you again. See you.